Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by locking in awake time and treating it as non-negotiable. This anchors your circadian rhythm. Once set, make the bedroom a sleep-first zone. Cool, dark, and quiet, and remove phones or set a strict charging spot outside the room. Make sure to stop caffeine after 2 p.m. and avoid heavy meals or alcohol within 3 hours of bed. These prerequisites reduce physiological and environmental obstacles, so your body can start responding to the schedule immediately. You now make gradual changes. Move bedtime and wake time by 15 to 30 minutes every few days until you reach the target. This prevents circadian disruption while training sleep pressure. Reinforce with daytime habits. Exercise earlier to deepen sleep and avoid heavy workouts 2 to 3 hours before bed. Once done, implement a 30 to 60-minute wind down with dim lights and calming activities, reading, stretching, or breathing exercises to signal your brain that sleep is next. You finish by stabilizing the routine. Commit for 3 weeks and keep a simple sleep log to note bedtimes, wake times, and quality. Make small 10 to 15-minute adjustments if needed, and prioritize consistency over chasing a perfect night. If you can't fall asleep, don't force it. Get out of bed, do a quiet, low-light activity for 15-20 minutes, then return. This breaks the anxious association with wakefulness. Persist, and make sure to review daytime habits if problems continue.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.